on behalf of government and the people of Fiji, welcome to Fiji. And thank you for taking time out from a very busy schedule to visit us. Every time we have visitors from your great country, get to you before you leave Fiji.
I accept this with great honor and
Thank you, sir.
humbleness.
Coming with our appreciation. Thank you. And,
Your Excellency.
Thank you so very busy. Thank you very much. Oh my. No, whatever. Thank you. Very special.
Thank you.
And you do a great job, sir.
Good.
Do a great job.
It's
Some of the rest of you
high honor.
and have a safe trip back. And say hello to the President.
I sure do.
Send you my regards and best wishes.
I sure do.
And I look forward to seeing you
Yes.